Yeah, you best say. Although you're not. Right, great session today. We were working on the last part of the market research, studying competition. And I have here with me Omran and Marcel. So great session, guys. What did you learn today, Omran?
We fully developed our understanding of market research and how it can imply with the company CCJM Ltd. We've been analyzing things such as competition, comparisons, and etc. And yeah, as you can see in the chart, we've done a lot.
Some good work today. Very good work, I must say. And yes, so you worked as a team, split the tasks, put it all together in this spreadsheet, and we've come to a conclusion after studying the different options. Very briefly, Marcel, so what have we discovered through our market research about the competition?
We discovered that YouTube will be our best choice of the platform to live stream on, because all of the competitors that we looked at is just expensive, or there's like just
less reach.
Yeah, less reach. They don't really give us what we want or need, and it's also very much less costly than the other ones, and it's simple to use, simple requirements to use it as well. We've also, yes, very bad quality.
One feature we discovered was that it's permanent, stays permanent on the channel, which is not the case for Instagram and Facebook, for example. And it's ours or the clients there forever. What else did we discover in terms of tools? Multi-streaming tool platform?
Yeah, Omran looked at different software to live stream on.
How many did you look at?
4.
Good.
So he's found 4 of what we can use. It's different choices. They all do what we want them to do. We need to kind of look more into it to see what exactly we want to use. But right now we found another one, OneScreen Live, that seems ideal, but for homework, I'm gonna look into it even more to see if it's the best.
Amazing. Great work. Very good. Omran, excellent. Marcel, until next week. Thank you very much.